Hello, I very much welcome you to KVS Delhi Live YouTube channel. Today I have brought the answers to the 5 questions related to the most asked class first admission. Yes, 5 questions are asked to me the most, so I thought why not one such video in which I answer all 5 questions, all of you from class first admission. Let us tell you which are the 5 questions are asked the most, but before that you would like to appeal to all that if you have yet KVS Delhi Live YouTube channel not subscribed quickly, so that I have always brought you new information related to education and admission. So let me tell you now the answers to the most asked 5 questions. The most important question is, when will the first admissions be made? Yes, when the first admissions will be made, this question is most asked. Then I want to tell you that the online admissions of class first will be in the month of March. Yes, the Central School of class first online admissions have always been in the month of March. Your second question that you ask is how old the children should be for admission in class first. So I would like to tell you that whenever the age is accounted for, the year's admission is completed and is planted on the 31st of March. Because 2021-22 sessions, this will assess the children of age by keeping admission on the 31st of March, then the age of the children for admission in class first should be at least 5 years and should not be more than 7 years old. Meaning that one should be more than 5 years old and under 7 years of age. Third question, which papers will be required? Look for admission in class first. If you are from the general category, you will need 3 papers. First, child's birth certificate, i.e. the child's birth certificate. The second, home address certificate, means that where he resides, he should have the name of one of the mother or father on the address proof. And the third, who is going to enroll the child, his passport size photo. Many times it happens that central schools also ask for a child's previous class report card, but not necessarily. Demands from all central schools usually require only 3 papers. First, address in proof parents, second, child's birth certificate, third, child's passport size photo. But if your child is related to a category, going to enroll in a central school through a category, then you will need his related papers. Like your Batiya is going to enroll under single girl child category. I have mentioned its format in my video and will tell further which format will you need. And if your child is going through an RTE medium in it, if ST/SC and OBC non-creamy layer category, then caste certificate will be required. If the child is a disabled child, then there will be a need to get a further disability certificate from a government hospital, which also a child of category. If the child of state government employee or central government employee, the parent of his or her state government employee or central government employee will get the child enrolled from that quota, then the concerned job certificate is required. If your child is normal apart from the category, under which category, the papers of that category will be required. I told you they will be needed, or the papers you will need for class 1 admissions. Now the fourth question is, on which website the forms will be filled. You can see the name of the website coming up on the screen. On this website you can see your children. You will be able to fill the form. Your fifth question for class first. Many parents ask, which I always answer, on which I also made the video, but this question comes up very much because many parents who are in private jobs, or parents do business or non-government is associated with an institution. These questions are often that if we are not involved in government jobs, then our children cannot enroll in central schools. Then my answer, yes. It is not that only the children of those people are enrolled occurs in central school is associated with government job. It's not like this. Thousands of children are also enrolled in central schools every year. If the general category under the normal category of category, then you do not have to be disappointed. You have someone, there is no need to get into things. It is not that even normal class children do not enroll in central schools. These 5 questions you ask, which I have answered with the question. Thank you so much for watching videos.